But I never let my heart go away. But I'll never fall in love, baby, just in case. Anybody have any cool plans today? Y'all got any cool plans y'all are gonna do? But I'll never fall in love, baby, just in case. Well, I guess I do. I got Bible study on Tuesday. I love Tuesdays. I love having a little Bible study girls and fellowship. It's always so great. Love it. So that's a good day. It's good. Been playing so for so long. What are your plans? You're just blowing my way. I added a new friend to the Daily Blinker videos. He thought it was so funny. He said, I wish I could save that. I said, you're hilarious. I was like, don't laugh at me, laugh with me. Rolling stone alone. Baby, we could take a long shot away. We'll carry the two. We'll get tattoos and we'll crush hotels. Baby, take my hand. I'll never be a woman. Okay, well, I'm gonna keep them coming because apparently I feel like the uglier the cough, the better. It's like, hey, I enjoy making them, I will say. Be famous with you. I don't wanna be a woman, man. Baby, we can take a long shot on the road. We'll get tattoos and we'll trash hotel rooms. I wanna be one man band. No, we have to wait till we get home for that. But oh, is that what you're doing, friend? I love that for you. Right? Like pastime shit. I don't wanna be one man band. It's a little chilly. It's a little chilly. Tanky, 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 tank. Tanky, tanky, tank. I want my dog to just come cuddle with me. It's gonna be 87 degrees here in Texas. Good morning, good old boy. Hey Siri, play Good Old Boy. I think of your name when I think of that song. Comes on. Have you heard it, friend?
Here's theme from the Dukes of Hazzard, Good Old Boys by Waylon Jennings.
No. Hey Siri, I don't know who sings it. It's a country song.
This is Waylon Jennings. This
Not that one, not that one. Hey Siri, not that one. Hey Siri, no. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, play Who I Am by Wade Bowen. Hey Siri, play Wade Bowen, Who I Am. No, my dog is not doing this right now. Oh shit, what do I wear today? Should I wear blue, red, black? It doesn't say black. I heard it. Heard somebody say black. There's some fades on this tree. I should go look at the moon. It's cold. What's the matter? You wanna come up? You wanna come up here? Come on, fat boy. She said, Mom, I just want you to pat me right here. take me, let me know. It's good. How are you, friend?